Dubai Ethiopia Business Forum opens new economic era. Top business leaders from the United Arab Emirates and Ethiopia gathered for a high-level economic forum that could reshape trade, investment, and regional influence in East Africa. Why is Dubai suddenly increasing its focus on Ethiopia? And what opportunities are now opening for investors, businesses, and the future of Africa's fastest-growing markets? Today, we break down the Dubai Ethiopia Business Connect Forum and why this meeting matters far beyond Ethiopia. The Dubai Ethiopia Business Connect Forum officially opened in Addis Ababa, bringing together government officials, investors, diplomats, and major business leaders from both countries. The goal, to deepen trade relations, expand investment cooperation, and create stronger business-to-business partnerships between Ethiopia and the UAE. The event reflects the rapidly growing strategic relationship between Addis Ababa and Dubai, two rising economic hubs connecting Africa and the Middle East. And many experts believe this partnership could become one of the most important economic alliances in the Horn of Africa. Ethiopia invites UAE investors. During the opening session, Ethiopian officials presented the country as one of Africa's biggest emerging investment destinations. Amha Haile Girgis, Deputy Director General for Middle East, Asia, and Pacific Affairs at Ethiopia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, highlighted Ethiopia's ongoing economic reforms. He invited UAE investors to explore opportunities across multiple sectors, including agriculture, manufacturing, renewable energy, tourism, digital services. Ethiopia is currently pushing major economic reforms designed to attract foreign investment and modernize the country's economy. And with a population of more than 120 million people, Ethiopia represents one of the largest untapped markets in Africa. Dubai's strategic interest in Ethiopia. President and CEO of Dubai Chambers, Mohammad Ali Rashed Lootah, emphasized Ethiopia's growing importance in East Africa. He described Ethiopia as a strategic gateway for trade and investment across the region. Dubai has already become a major global business hub connecting Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Now, UAE business leaders appear increasingly interested in Ethiopia's expanding market, infrastructure projects, and regional influence. This could lead to new investments, logistics partnerships, industrial projects, and stronger trade corridors between the Gulf and East Africa. Strong diplomatic support. Diplomats from both countries also reinforced the importance of the growing partnership. Ethiopia's ambassador to the UAE, Ambassador Jemal Bakir, said the strategic cooperation between Ethiopia and the UAE is creating wider investment opportunities for the private sector. He encouraged Emirati companies to take advantage of Ethiopia's improving business environment and investment incentives. Meanwhile, UAE Ambassador to Ethiopia, Rashed Abdullah Al-Shehi, reaffirmed the strong relationship between the two nations and called for even deeper business engagement. The message from both sides was clear. Economic cooperation between Ethiopia and the UAE is accelerating. Key sectors attracting investment. The Ethiopian Investment Commission and other institutions presented detailed investment opportunities during the forum. Key sectors included agro-processing, manufacturing, tourism, logistics, renewable energy, agriculture. Ethiopia is especially focusing on industrialization and export-driven growth. Meanwhile, UAE investors are known globally for major investments in ports, logistics, infrastructure, aviation, energy, and real estate. This combination could significantly transform Ethiopia's economic landscape over the next decade. Why this forum matters. This forum is about more than just business meetings. It reflects a larger geopolitical and economic shift happening across Africa and the Middle East. The UAE has been expanding its economic footprint across the Horn of Africa through ports, logistics, trade, and infrastructure partnerships. For Ethiopia, stronger ties with Gulf nations could bring foreign investment, job creation, technology transfer, and increased access to international markets. And for Dubai, Ethiopia offers access to one of Africa's largest consumer markets and a strategic location in East Africa. This is why many analysts see the Ethiopia-UAE partnership becoming increasingly important in the coming years. As the Dubai Ethiopia Business Connect Forum continues, one thing is becoming clear. The economic relationship between Ethiopia and the UAE is entering a new phase. A phase built on investment, trade, infrastructure, and long-term strategic cooperation. The big question now is, could Ethiopia become the UAE's biggest economic partner in East Africa? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on Africa, the Middle East, and global geopolitics. Thanks for watching.